Hey guys, this is my first ever time trying lemon juice. Bye guys. Slap, salute.